In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove indicators on GoCharting. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look and what to click so your chart shows only what you need. First, open the chart that already has the indicator you want to remove. Make sure you're on the correct symbol and time frame so you can clearly see the indicator you're targeting, whether it's something like RSI, EMA, MACD, or any other tool you added earlier. It helps to briefly scan your chart so you're confident about what you're removing. Next, open the Layers panel. This panel is your master list of everything on the chart: price series, volume, indicators, and any drawings you've added. To open it, look for the Layers icon, which is usually on the right-hand widget bar or at the top right corner of the chart area. If your window is small, the icon might be condensed, so try expanding your chart or hovering over the toolbar to find it. Once the Layers panel is visible, you'll see a structured list of elements stacked in the order they appear on your chart. Now, find the indicator you want to remove within that list. Indicators are typically labeled by name, and if you've added the same indicator more than once, you might see multiple entries. Check for any custom names or settings that help you distinguish between them, such as different lengths or styles. Take a moment to confirm you're selecting the right one before proceeding. Open the indicator's context menu. You can usually do this by clicking the three dots next to the indicator name. On some setups, you can also right-click the indicator name in the Layers panel to bring up the same menu. This menu is where you'll find actions like Edit, Hide, and Delete. Click Delete to remove the indicator from the chart. As soon as you confirm, the indicator will disappear from both the chart view and the Layers list. If you change your mind, you can typically use the undo command in your platform to restore it, or simply re-add the indicator later from the indicators library. A quick tip: if you only want to temporarily declutter your chart, consider hiding the indicator instead of deleting it, using the visibility toggle if available so you can bring it back with a single click. That's all there is to it. Open your chart, open Layers, locate the indicator, use the context menu, and delete. Clean, simple, and effective.